That's real good. All right. Hey everybody, it's Sarah
and Nicole,
and it is day 4 in Copenhagen. Today we went to the IDA and to McKellar Brewery. We spent some time with Soon from the Danish Engineers Union, who talked about labor unions in Denmark. So both publicly and private sectors, employees can pay into labor union. They can pay dues into the labor union and therefore have protection and support, negotiation of wages, benefits, that sort of thing. So the unions here in Denmark represent 80% of Danish employees. So what was really interesting about that is that in America, only 12% of employees belong to a union. So that's a huge change. We're actually up a little bit. It was only 7% in the early 2000s. So here in Denmark, employees belong to the unions because they trust their employers. So they go into that agreement knowing that the union will argue on their behalf and work for them, and the employers know that the unions will do the same. So it's a mutual trust agreement. But in America, people actually seem to join unions because they don't trust their employees. So they don't trust that they're going to get a good deal. They don't trust that the people are going to take care of them, and so they join unions. So it's for completely different reasons, and the reaction is different. So that was definitely a big eye-opener to see what a positive effect unions can have here in Denmark.
Yeah, trust was a big topic today because at McKellar, they talked about how they don't see other breweries as competition. They see them as someone to collaborate with, and they actually don't sign contracts. They just kind of expect them to follow the unspoken rules, and that's all. Also at McKellar, I found it interesting that 51% of their employees don't actually come from Denmark. So, and I think that goes along with how they started internationally before they started producing in Denmark, which I thought was really interesting.
Yeah, they're like multinational before they're even local.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very cool.
Yeah,
this was a great day. We learned a lot. We sampled some beer, and we had some more great Danish weather. So
yes.
looking forward to tomorrow.
All right.
See ya.